How to get unbanned from Wizz app or recover banned Wizz account. Now, in this video, I'm going to provide you your last resort for you to be able to still recover your Wizz account. Now, since you no longer have access into your Wizz account, even if you pull up the application that you got from iOS Store, App Store, or from Google Play, so here's what you can do. Now, visit wizzapp.com's official website, like so. And then once you get here, there is actually two specific lines to top right. Tap on that. Then you're gonna have to see these options. Now choose on contact us. And then this is gonna be our method. We're gonna be sending out a request or ticket for them to let us know on what are the resolutions possible or available if your account was being banned without no further reason. In here, just simply type in the name that you have for your Wizz account and as well as the email address that you use, like who you are. And then for your message tab or the description tab, you just have to be specific as to why your account got banned without further reason. And then hit on submit. Now you're gonna have to wait for the Wizz support to get back to you so that you will be provided with a solid resolution. And that's how you get unbanned from Wizz app or recover banned Wizz account.